Welcome to the channel, I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the GR86 and installing the Driven Media DRL Bezels. These are extremely nice, and I wasn't able to get on the first batch because I was contemplating getting it or not. And by the time I decided I wanted them, that first batch was already out. So as soon as they came back in stock, I ordered them and they came sooner than expected, which is amazing. I like both kind of designs that he originally came up with. I love this finished product, so I'm going to show it to you guys real quick, how it's packaged, all of that, and then we're going to get them installed. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer it. But once again, Kevin has a very detailed, in-depth install of these and the operation of them. So if you guys haven't checked out Kevin's channel, go ahead and check it out. Kevin Bow from Driven Media. Absolutely fantastic content. He is one of the main reasons I decided to finally pick up this car after seeing all the things that he's brought to my attention for these vehicles. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and get it installed, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. So here it is, all packaged up. So it comes in this really nice box. It was inside of another box, but it is magnetic. They did not skimp out on the packaging and display of this whole setup. So it opens up here, and then up top you have all of the information, your install instructions, all that good stuff. Here it is, all laid out. I like what they did here. I already ate the Swedish fish, but I honestly haven't even pulled these out yet. Okay, there's the headlight connector, or the T-harness. I do like that they changed that so you can easily remove the bumper without having to disconnect that. They did a good job with the material and matching it and this design. And the design of the LED. I like that a lot. Same thing on the other side. And then there's the harness. So that's just a quick look at the packaging. So let's go ahead and get this front bumper off. I'm also going to be installing my oil cooler, so I'm going to be recording two separate videos within this video. So I should have the oil cooler video out either right before this video or right after this video. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out that video as well. But let's go ahead and start tearing this apart. So I got it up in the air, the wheels and tires off. You don't need to do that in order to do the DRL bezels, but I'm also draining the oil and doing the oil cooler at the same time. So we're working on removing the front bumper, which is pretty simple. You're going to come in here and you're going to remove these pop clips here on each side, and then you're going to have 5 of these 10mm fasteners across the top. And then you're also going to have this pop clip and this pop clip to remove. And then also don't forget, once you do get these removed, go ahead and unplug your side marker light. And then underneath, you're going to have to remove some pop clips here, 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 basically all along the front. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and then we'll get the bumper off. Coming around the back side of the bumper, there's a few clips that we're going to have to remove. Got one here, here, and one down below, because I'm going to be removing this shroud to get it out of the way, and then we can access all the clips to remove the bezel. Now we can go ahead and push on all these clips to then pop out the bezel. Very, very, very simple to remove. Set that aside, and then I'm going to go ahead and get the other side removed as well. So to install, it's pretty simple. You have an opening here and here. You're going to go through the top opening. Then I'm going to line up that bottom part and the top. I'm going to start with the top. And you can come around the back side. Make sure all of these tabs are up behind and locked in place, as you can see there, and then just line up that bottom one and put that push clip back in here. And we can go ahead and reinsert. Just like so. So you have this top clip, that side one, and the side one down below right here. And now we have our wiring harness coming off the back. Got this all lined up. And now I can move to the other side. Once we get the other side in, then we can get the bumper reinstalled. Actually, we'll get the wiring harnesses ran down to where they need to go. For the driver's side, we're going to be removing this clip right here. The button or the tab to release is on the bottom, so you push it in. Then I'm taking a screwdriver and assisting in removing the clip. There's that. Now we can take our pigtail, plug it in. Then we can take our wiring, drop it down to the front. Actually, I'll probably go more out to the side. So it comes out over here. So easy enough. And then we're going to do the same thing on the passenger side. Connector is right here. And we will run it out right there. It's very simple. And then once you have both of those harnesses ran, you can just simply connect it down here. And I'm going to go ahead and test it before going ahead and putting the bumper back on. Once you get the bumper rehung, don't forget to plug in. Don't forget to plug in your side markers. And reinstall the clips. So that's it as far as the Driven Media LED DRL bezels. Absolutely fantastic. I love the sleek, subtle, yet aggressive look to them. I think it's a great upgrade, very OEM plus, so I'm a big fan of that. Let me know your guys' thoughts. The function on and off with the headlights just takes a little bit of getting used to. You'll figure it out in order to turn on or off the startup sequence, to have the sequential or just the standard blink, and then you can change it from white to amber, or you can just have it amber all the time. I really like that you can do that, and it's very simple to do. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.